Whether you've been in a relationship for a few months, few years, or a few decades, one of the ways to make sure your relationship is a priority and stays fresh is to set goals together. Relationship goals aren't just a trending hashtag. They are what you should include in your relationship to make it stronger and to deepen your connections. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about 10 ways to have a healthy relationship. Before we continue, kindly like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Here are some relationship goals all couples should have for a healthy relationship. Number 10. Have a partnership. Regardless of how competitive you may be in life, your relationship must always be a partnership and not a competition. There will certainly be times where one is having a bad time and is not contributing more. It doesn't mean the other should stop putting effort in as well. Instead, they must step up and comfort the other because ups and downs are a part of life. Number 9. Intimacy. To keep your relationship healthy, stay intimate. It is so easy to drift away and find no time to be together as life gets busier. Intimacy is important to keep the relationship going and should be in the list of your goals. Number 8. Speak positively about each other. To speak ill of the person you love to others is a sure way to cause damage to your relationship. It's disrespectful to them, as well as disrespectful to your relationship. No matter how rough the relationship is going, make sure you speak positively about your partner in front of others. Number 7. Travel goals. The best way to get away from your daily routine is to travel together. This can be arranged mutually. It helps a couple to work throughout the year to have a certain goal accomplished. By traveling, a couple makes new memories, and it replenishes your relations for good. When you travel, you experience new things, meet new people, and you even come back as a new person, grown up from your experience, which eventually helps you grow as a couple. Number 6. Try something new together. When the relationship becomes old, couples often lose interest in one another. They are locked in the same routine and it bores them. So, from time to time, couples must try to do new things together to keep the element of excitement high. They can take turns in choosing what they want to do and then do it together. Number 5. Give your relationship priority. With our incredibly busy lives, it can be easy to neglect the needs of our relationship. This is not the correct thing to do. As with everything that is important in life, time and attention are essential for making a relationship last. Invest time and attention in this project and show your appreciation for each other. Number 4. Spend time together. Couples do spend a lot of time together at the start of a relationship, but things can become quite dull as you go through the everyday tasks, and before you know it, you end up in a relationship rut. So couples must make sure that they find time and spend it together. Number 3. Give your better half some space. Spending all your time together is not viable, and you both need time alone. Alone time is equally important. It doesn't mean that you don't want to spend time together. It just means that you respect one another's individuality. This allows breathing space and encourages a closer relationship with each other when you do spend time together. Number 2. Put your partner first. In your relationship, putting each other first means that you're paying attention to each other's needs. You also need to make sure that your partner's needs are being met and do what puts a smile on their face. Number 1. Communication. The most important key regarding a healthy relationship is communication. Open communication must be one of the top goals. Talking with your partner about your feelings and allowing him or her to talk about theirs is an important step to avoid resentments, anger, and misunderstandings. This can lead to better and healthier relationships and to a stronger emotional bond. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you next time.